morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last uploaded and filmed, and that's because I'm on vacation. I'm in Italy, so this is a greeting from Italy. Of course, I'm starting off this vlog in the car just because, as usual, I was running a little bit late with getting ready, and then we had to rush out and yeah, just like get it going. So yeah, if you have been to Italy, you probably know that well, probably three things: they drive like crazy, they have amazing food, and then the third thing is shopping in Italy is just incredible. I love shopping in Italy. Whenever we're traveling, whenever we're here, I love going shopping. They usually have really good prices. You can find a lot of discounts, and all over Italy there are so many amazing outlet stores. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going shopping. I am just in front of a designer outlet. So this store is called Spinnaker, and it's a designer, like multi-brand designer store. They have several like physical stores, and they also have an online store, and this is one of their outlets. I believe it might be their only outlet store. Last year I found some really nice pieces inside, especially like clothes. I like shopping for clothes in designer outlets. Normally purses and shoes are not that easy to find, but we're gonna see. I don't know what's there. It always depends. We're gonna see what they have, and I'm very excited. So let's get going and let's start browsing the outlet in where is this place? I'll leave everything down below because I'm not sure how is this little town called. So that was quite successful. I'm pretty happy with what I got, but in general it was quite an issue to find sizes. So there was a lot of cute things, but yeah, it's just the matter of finding the right size. But yeah, I'm quite happy. I got quite a few things, so I'm gonna show you that soon when we get to the apartment. And just to do a quick outfit of the day, so I'm wearing the sable skirt set in khaki green. Then I have my Louis Vuitton checked tees and just my Chanel espadrilles, and then I have these cool new sunnies that I just got, and they are from Gigi Barcelona, which is a new brand that I just discovered, and I love them. We are back in the flat, and we just did a little pit stop here. We dropped off the stuff that we got, and I changed, and now we're ready to go to the beach. But before the beach, we're gonna go and grab a lunch, and I really love this place. I can't wait to show it to you guys because it's super cute. It's very close to our apartment, so it's very convenient, and we don't have to walk a lot. And yeah, let's get going and I'll show you the place.
For Instagram?
I think we found a perfect location. It's very chic. So we have 25 minutes left till the shops reopen again, because they close for
la siesta.
For la siesta. And we are looking where to sit to kill this 25 minutes and maybe have a dessert. guys, it is obviously the next day, and yesterday after lunch, instead of going to the beach as I told you, we ended up browsing around the old town. We went for a walk after lunch because I don't know, we just had so much food and we had a little bit of wine and we just didn't feel like going to the beach. It was already quite late, so we went shopping instead, and I have something so exciting to show you guys. I can't wait to do this little unboxing. So as I mentioned yesterday, we went to the Spinnaker outlet and I got a few things over there as well, so I'm going to show you that. I think I'm going to show you that first. It's right over here. And when we were walking in the city after lunch, we went into the actual Spinnaker boutique and I got something really special, and I'm so excited. I wanted this thing for the longest time ever. I'm sorry guys, it's quite early in the morning, so I'm really sorry for my voice, but yeah, I wanted this thing for the longest time ever. So yeah, I was really excited and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's start with the first bag, and let me show you what I got at the outlet store. So at the outlet, I haven't gone that crazy because I don't know, I was just not lucky with sizes. They didn't have that many sizes available. When it comes to prices, they were really good. And normally they were around 50% off, which is a lot, even for like the super high-end designer brands like Prada and Gucci, Yves Saint Laurent. They had really good discounts, so that was quite good and neat. But honestly, I was not lucky because yeah, they just didn't have that many sizes. So the first thing that I got are these linen pants. They're very simple and just like a casual linen pant. They have a more of a jogger feel, so they have this like elastic band, pockets on the sides, and then they have this very cute hem. So yeah, they're like very casual and cute, nothing special. And actually this is not like a super this is not a quite famous brand. So they are by Vici Milano, and I think I paid them like somewhere around maybe like 90 euros. That would be a little bit above $100. So yeah, they were quite a good find. Then I got another pair of pants, and these I'm obsessed with. I love them so much. These are the Moschino, kind of like a paper bag pants. They have this paper bag waistline. They are super long and like really flattering, and I love the fabric. Fabric is very interesting, very fun. It's a little bit more casual, so it feels almost like a something you would use for like a raincoat or just like something more sporty. So I really like the contrast between the more like dressy pants and this fabric. They are Moschino couture, and they were, I don't remember how much because they removed the prices. I don't know why, but they removed the prices after you purchase them, so I don't remember how much were these. I need to find the bill, guys. Let me show you. Okay, so this is very annoying. I just realized that on the receipt they basically write like the actual price, and then they do a discount at the end, so you just have like a summary, and I don't have the individual prices here, so I wouldn't be able to tell you exactly how much they were. So I think these were like the most expensive item we got. So these were originally 545 euros, and then I believe they were somewhere around maybe 290 euros at the end. I am not sure, but I think that was pretty much the price. So it was a good discount. It was a good price, and I just really love them. I don't have any pants like this, so I just found them really cute. The last thing I got is this super cute like blouse from Blue Girl, and I just love it. It has this nice little straps, and then it has sleeves that are going like off the shoulder, and they have these super cute like cutout details, a ribbon, and a lot of like ruffles on them. So oh yeah, finally camera is picking it up. So yeah, it's a very cute little blouse. You can wear this with jeans or basically any bottoms you like. So this was a very cute find, and I think this was like 90 euros, so this was also a good price. Those were all the things that I got at the outlet store, and now let's move on to the most exciting thing that I got, and I can't wait to unbox this. I can't wait to wear it, and don't let the box fool you. You will probably think it's a pair of shoes, but it's not. It is a purse, and I'm just going to cut all the BS and show you which purse I got. I'm so excited. So it comes only with a dust bag, and now you know because you probably recognize the dust bag. It is a Valentino bag, and I wanted this handbag since it came out. I remember seeing it for the first time. I think it was during the fashion week. I'm pretty sure it was during the fashion week, and I'm pretty sure they gave it to some bloggers, and I was obsessed since I saw that bag. It was just so gorgeous, and I think it's one of the most beautiful Valentino bags they've ever made, and I really hope they keep it as a permanent collection, because I think they really nailed it with this bag. I'm not a huge fan of other Valentino bags. I love everything from Valentino, but like handbags were not my thing until they made this one, and I finally took a plunge and went for it, and I went for something really different and exciting, and I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I am really excited. How many times I'm going to say excited? So I'm just going to show you guys. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So here it is, the Valentino Rock Stud medium bag in this gorgeous limited edition snakeskin print. It has this beautiful signature studs and gorgeous print. I am obsessed with this print, you guys. This is so different. I normally go for like very like, I don't know, I normally go for like neutrals and just like very simple accessories, because I like to wear them a lot. I like to have things that can go with many different looks and outfits, and somehow with my handbags I'm always being very conservative. I'm not the same with shoes. I have like more variety when it comes to shoes in terms of colors and patterns and just like styles in general, so I'm more experimental when it comes to shoes, but these bags are a little bit more of a like a higher investment and like a bigger purchase. I usually go for something like very safe and just neutral, but this time I have to say I don't know, I just like took a plunge and went for something more interesting. I think it's still like in the neutral realm. I think it's still very neutral because the base is black, then it has like this white little dots and the gray stripes, so I still think the color palette is very neutral, so it's still something you can wear a lot, but it is a very nice statement bag that I can just wear when I want to dress up like a simple jean and a t-shirt outfit. I'm so obsessed with this bag, you guys. I don't know what else to say. I can do like a full-on review and show you everything about the bag, like the insides, and like I can talk more about like why I went for this one, price, everything basically about the bag. If you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. I love talking about these things, so this will not be hard for me to do, and probably I will do it anyway. So yeah, I will give you more insights and more details on the bag, because otherwise the video would be too long. But yeah, this is what I got, and I'm so excited, and I love shopping for this type of items when I'm traveling, because I feel like it's like a good memory to have. Each year I would buy something like this when I'm traveling, and then I always remember like how I got it and where I got it, and it's just like it's nice thing for me. Like I feel like it's part of like creating memories. It's something that I will always remember. So yeah, I'm very happy. So I think I'm going to close this video here because it's going to be too long, and I'm going to talk to you guys soon in another one. I might do a like travel vlog and sum up some of the clips that I already have from the trip. We've been here for a while now, for probably more than 8 days. I think we're already here for 10 days. So yeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.